Hi y'all, it's Colleen from Matadorprimesteak. Today we're going to do one of my family's favorite meals. Everybody from my 75-year-old dad to my 10-year-old daughter absolutely love this dish. Beef stroganoff. Owning 2 businesses, working full-time, and raising 3 kids, I love it because it's super easy. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so we're going to start with about a cup of white onions. You can really cut these to whatever your family's preference is. I like to dice mine so that I don't have big chunks of onions. I've got a couple kids who don't like that. So we're going to do that. And we're going to do 2 pounds of sirloin. I get prime sirloin from Matadorprimesteak because it gives me that great tender texture that I'm going to look for, but maintains that really beefy flavor that stands up to the cream sauce we're about to make. You can do other cuts. You can do tenderloin, which is the traditional cut for stroganoff, or you can even do flank steak. I just think that sirloin, prime sirloin at Matadorprimesteak gives you the best of both worlds. So I've got 2 pounds here. I'm going to cut it into about 1-inch cubes. That's the perfect bite size for me. Then I'm going to season it. I'm using the Matador Prime rub. This rub has garlic, pepper, salt, paprika, onion. It's nice and coarse ground, so that pepper flavor is really going to stand through. I want to season it generously. We're going to put our onions and our beef, and we're just going to brown these. Remember, you're just browning them. We're going to put them in a slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours, so you're not trying to cook the beef fully. So I've got these in here just to give them a little bit of heat to brown it. I'm going to put a little bit more salt and pepper just to taste. So to our slow cooker, we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and a can of cream of onion soup. For some reason, where I live, cream of onion soup is really hard to find. So when I find it, I buy like 5 or 6 cans. Hopefully where you are, your grocery stores carry it, but this really does make the difference. So if you can find cream of onion soup, you really want to use it. And then you're going to do 1 jar of sliced mushrooms. We're going to drain them. We're going to put all of these into the slow cooker. We're going to put our meat and onion mix in here. Turn it on low. 6 to 8 hours. You're going to leave it. Go do what you have to do. We'll finish it up when we get back. Alright, so we're back. This has been cooking for about 6 to 8 hours. Now it's time to eat. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to add 1 block of cream cheese. I like to cut mine into pieces so that it can melt better. And then we're going to do an 8-ounce container of sour cream. Feel free to use lighter versions of this. Now that I've got my cream cheese and my sour cream and I'm letting that melt, I'm going to start the noodles. So I'm just going to cook these according to the package. So about 10-12 minutes. We're going to let those boil. We're going to add the noodles and the sauce all together, and voila, we've got dinner. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Prime sirloin with the soup and the richness of the cream, so good. Hope your family loves this dish as much as mine does. Remember, you can get this prime sirloin at Matadorprimesteak.com. I want to thank Trey Wilcox and Trey Wilcox Cooking Concepts for letting us use his kitchen. Please like this video below, subscribe, and comment. More videos to come. And remember, if it's not prime,